Then I would cry.
This is it. We are officially back. As mentioned in my previous video, as a comment, thanks Rob, I miss my Canards so much I grew my own. Well, pretty much. I'm currently standing behind a fence. I'm doing that so I don't give away anything else. There's more going on with this car in 2 weeks than almost the 4 years I've owned it. So we're going to just chill a little bit and keep myself back in check and know that I can't just walk around the car like I usually do. But the Canards are back, my favorite mod. When I put those on, it just changed everything. Everybody that's seen it just knew it was a race car. To me, it was the final piece of the SS package and made the SS front end everything I would want out of a front end. I'm not one to swap faces and I guess trade identities. I don't want a ZL1 front end. I love them, but it's for ZL1 people. I'm an SS guy. I love my car. I love everything about it. So I wanted to be the baddest SS around, and this is most certainly it. Car's also clean. That never happens. It's been literally a workhorse lately, using it for contracting. So it's kind of nice to see it all cleaned up and certain mods in progress. So another, I want to say week and a bit, and we should have some pretty substantial stuff to share. Stay tuned. Until next time, take care, drive safe, and behave, as always.